everyone. So, oh god, cut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's video is actually a really exciting one because I've never done subscription boxes before. So this is going to be my first one besides the one that I did for Target. And this one is actually called the Kinder Beauty Box. And it's a box, I have my notes here, and it's a box made by Daniela Monet and Evelyn Lynch. And I've come to know this one in particular because of Elena. She was Luna Lovegood from Harry Potter, and that's how I got to know about this one. And basically this box is a vegan and cruelty-free subscription service that has either 3 full-size items and it has samples. And they include free shipping depending which plan that you get. Either one is free shipping. And they have a lot of brands that contribute to this box. So I haven't opened it yet, so if you want to see what's in the January one, then keep on watching. And I will discuss prices, the plans, the brands that come with the box, and contact information at the end of when I show you what was in the January one. But this is like their first official one, and it looks just like this with the leaves. And this is, so I haven't opened it yet, so I'm just gonna see like how they did it. It's so beautiful. Okay, so like, so this is what it looks like, and then it says welcome right here with the leaf, and that's super cute. I love leaves, if you don't know. So I'm guessing everything here, oh this is really long. So this pamphlet, I believe, is going to be products that are in here in the January box, and it came with a bonus item for like people who signed up early to this one. Got the little tiny circles and super cute. This is the Adult Natural Serum. It looks like this. And this is a step that you put before moisturizer. So let's see. Oh, those are quite a lot. So it looks like that. It's got a pump in it. And it's like a glass bottle, so that's really cool. So this was a bonus item, which is this is what it looks like, and the direction says to shake well as a dietary supplement. Pump 1 spray per day into mouth and swallow. Okay, so I'll try this out real quick. Good. I don't know how I feel about this. I got kind of stinging. This tasted like cherry medicine, like cough medicine. I don't know how I feel about this one. So this one is a rice facial cleanser that removes makeup. It soothes all skin types. So this is really cool. It's like this. It's perfect for days when I'm wearing makeup and I could just wash it away with this. So it smells really good. This is gonna be really useful for me when I wash away my makeup. So this is really nice. And this is a Honeybee Gardens. It doesn't say anything else besides the shade name, which is BG Chocolate. And I think this is a liner. So, oh yeah, it's an effortless eyeliner. It's a smooth formula that will have a perfect long-wearing look, which is $9. So this is pretty cool. I don't really use eyeliners, but I might give this one to my sister. We'll see. So this is a 100% pure coffee bean eye cream, and this is really cool. This is it's got green tea and coffee that will make the eye area look more awake and youthful. Wow. This is a huge size for eye cream. I've been using this one, which is Beauty 360, and this one is 0.5, and this is 1 fluid ounce. So that's like quite a lot of product. Wow. I'm almost running out of that, so I'll be using this one. It smells really good. So the last one is called Inca Loose Mineral Eyeshadow and called Peach Fetish. Looks just like this. And it's got, what does it have? It has 1.2 grams. It's a long-lasting color, rich with vibrant pigment, and an incredible smooth texture. It looks just like this. This is a cute packaging. So that is everything from the box, and all this I could easily recycle. So as far as getting all of these products in a January box, this is really cool because these are things that I would actually use as my daily routine, and I think I might consider signing up for a longer program, but I think they did a really good job with picking up products from this first box originally, because it's like really great deals for all of them. Considering that, okay, I got the one that was monthly auto renew, which ships every month, and it's $24 plus free shipping. And if you add that up for 12 months, that's going to be $288, which is a lot of money. So I might cancel that one. The second plan is a 3-month one, which is $22 per month. So they will be getting a discount for getting that one, and that one's $66 in total for those 3 months, and the total year value is $264. So it's much lesser than the one where you get monthly. And then the third one is 12 months for $19.95 a month, and for the whole year it would be $239 plus 40 cents. So the third option is actually cheaper because you're getting a better value for your money, and for all these products that you're getting, it would be worth it for someone who doesn't have any skincare items or anything. So on the kinderbeauty.com, they have their contact information for customers and other brands, and they provide their email address and mailing address, which is Denver, Colorado. Like Alana, like she's a really good person. You could tell through her being very humble. I could tell that she is, because she goes for natural beauty with everything, and she promotes that with her social media. And so like it's such a really good cause, and buying this is gonna donate towards other charities. And so I think what I would be doing is canceling my $24 a month to the third plan, because I find that you're paying $19.95 a month and you're gonna get all these products that you'll be using for the whole year. So that's a really good deal, and I will keep this updated if I ever continue to getting it month to month. And yeah, so now I'll be trying this on, and yeah, so okay, bye. This cream smells really good. It smells like coffee. It's like a wake up eye cream. It smells really, really good. Oh, this is so pretty. This eyeshadow is super pigmented. It's like I didn't even have to wet this brush. This is like super pretty. Oh my goodness. It's like a metallic peach color and it's sparkly. And there's no fallout. As I'm putting in, like I see no fallout at all. The eyeshadow is beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna put on is the eyeliner, which I don't really wear eyeliner, but I'm really curious about this one, so I'll just do like a slight eyeliner, like across here, like a little cat eye. It's really pigmented. Oh my gosh, this is like super pretty. Okay, so it's not perfect, but I love this. Wow. So this is my finished look using all these products, and I really loved everything. Like this eye cream smells like coffee, and it's like I could tell there's eye cream here, and it feels really moisturizing. Oh, and the serum is really nice. It smells like orange. The eyeliner was great. And the Bryce facial cleanser, I would have to use it on full makeup days. This one I still have to see how I would use this. I would probably just mix it with water instead of just spraying it, because I thought it tasted like cherry medicine. I don't know if vitamins taste like that, but it's pure vegan, so I don't know. I would still have to experiment with this, but everything else I really loved. So yeah, I highly recommend it. It's just only the first month of this, so I will have to see what February, March, April, and all those other months look like. But so far it's a hit for me, and I think it's really worth the money if you don't have a lot of skincare products and stuff like that. So I have a couple, but not massively huge. So this is like a great intro to skincare, and I could give some to my sister or my mom if I have extra. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. God bless your whole rest of the day and night, and I will see you guys in my next video, and stay blessed. Bye. Thank you.